The doorbell camera captures a stranger. His concern sounds more like a threat.
Excuse me, I'm just a concerned citizen, just a person that lives in the area.
And then his words get even stranger.
You have a lock on your back door. It goes into your well, it's the back door, not the gate. You put a key in it. That lock is no good. Very bad lock. Very, very bad luck for that lock. Please replace that lock. It's $25, $35. That is the worst possible lock.
In the end, it's not just about a lock, it's about boundaries. If a stranger crosses them once, they might cross them again. Protect your home, trust your instincts, because safety starts with saying no.